Welcome, students. Today we explore one of the most important nutrients for muscle growth, protein. When you train with weights, tiny damage occurs in muscle fibers. This is normal and essential for growth. Your body repairs those fibers and builds them back slightly stronger. This process requires protein. Protein provides amino acids, the building blocks used to repair and construct muscle tissue. Think of amino acids as small bricks that combine to build larger muscle protein structures. Resistance training turns on a biological process called muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is the process where the body builds new muscle proteins. Muscle grows when protein synthesis exceeds protein breakdown over time. Eating enough protein helps push the body toward that positive muscle building balance. Many foods contain protein, including meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant sources. Both animal and plant proteins can support muscle growth when consumed in sufficient amounts. However, some amino acids are especially important, particularly leucine. Leucine acts like a switch that helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis after meals. Consuming protein regularly throughout the day supports recovery and muscle repair. Most athletes benefit from about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For example, a 70 kilogram athlete may need roughly 112 to 154 grams daily. Instead of one large serving, distribute protein across several meals. This pattern helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis multiple times per day. A protein meal after training is useful, but the total daily intake matters more. Protein shakes are convenient, but whole foods work equally well. Different proteins digest at different speeds, influencing amino acid availability. Recovery also depends on sleep, hydration, and smart training volume. Muscle growth happens slowly through consistent training and nutrition habits. Remember, muscle is built over weeks and months, not overnight. Fuel your body with sufficient protein, train intelligently, and let biology do its work. Inside muscle fibers are contractile proteins called actin and myosin. These proteins generate force when muscles contract during exercise. Heavy training stimulates the body to produce more contractile proteins. Amino acids are assembled into new muscle proteins inside the cell. This building occurs inside structures called ribosomes. After eating protein, amino acids travel through the bloodstream to muscles. Protein works best when combined with sufficient calories and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates fuel intense workouts that stimulate muscle growth signals. If calories are too low, the body struggles to build muscle efficiently. More protein is not always better once needs are met. Extremely high protein intake does not magically double muscle growth. Balance between macronutrients supports performance and recovery. Planning meals helps athletes consistently hit protein targets. Variety in protein sources provides a wide range of nutrients. Whole foods also provide vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. About 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal often maximizes muscle protein synthesis. Many athletes benefit from 3 to 5 protein-rich meals daily. Beginners especially respond strongly to protein and training combined. Advanced athletes still need protein to support recovery and adaptation. Hydration and recovery habits influence muscle growth as well. Protein also helps repair connective tissues like tendons and ligaments. Tracking training and nutrition improves long-term progress. Think like a scientist and observe what works for your body. Good nutrition supports both performance and community in sport. Protein is powerful, but it works best alongside intelligent training. Consistency is the true secret behind long-term muscle development. Real muscle growth occurs gradually across months of training. Patience allows the biology of adaptation to unfold. Protein digestion begins in the stomach and continues in the intestines. Digestive enzymes break large proteins into individual amino acids. These amino acids then enter circulation and travel throughout the body. Muscles absorb these amino acids more effectively after training. Muscle protein synthesis can stay elevated for up to 24 hours. Therefore, total daily protein intake is more important than perfect timing. Convenient protein snacks can help meet daily requirements. Supplements are tools, not necessities. Whey protein is popular because it digests quickly and contains leucine. Casein digests slower and may support overnight recovery. Nighttime recovery is when much of the repair process occurs. A small protein snack before sleep may support overnight muscle repair. Hydration helps deliver nutrients throughout the body. Recovery strategies reduce fatigue and injury risk. Repeated cycles of training and recovery produce stronger muscles. Progress can be tracked through strength, measurements, and performance. Muscle growth is the result of many habits working together. Understanding the science helps athletes make smarter decisions. Knowledge transforms training from guesswork into strategy. Simple balanced meals often outperform complicated nutrition plans. When habits align, progress becomes steady and sustainable. Slow and steady progress wins the muscle building race. Start the day with a balanced meal containing quality protein. Train hard with compound exercises to stimulate muscle growth. Then provide the body with nutrients for repair. Aim for roughly 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram daily. Spread protein across several meals for best results. Preparation prevents missed nutrition targets. Prioritize sleep so muscles can rebuild effectively. Progressive overload signals muscles to grow stronger. Stock your kitchen with reliable protein sources. Small daily choices accumulate into meaningful progress. Hydration supports performance and nutrient transport. Enjoy the process of training and improving. Science and consistency produce powerful results. Remember the biology behind muscle growth. Apply knowledge during every training session. Food becomes muscle through intelligent training and recovery. Progress may be slow, but it is real. Stay patient and disciplined. Support from others helps maintain motivation. Strong habits produce strong bodies. Remember the triangle of training, nutrition, and recovery. Protein is the foundation of muscle repair. Consistency turns effort into results. Train smart, eat well, and respect the science. Until next lesson, keep growing stronger one meal and workout at a time.